Want to learn how to use Vendasta for PPC campaigns? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get started with Vendasta and leverage it for your pay-per-click marketing. Stick around until the end because I've got a special offer just for you. First, let's dive into what Vendasta is all about. Vendasta is a comprehensive platform that helps you manage various aspects of digital marketing, including PPC. Whether you're handling campaigns for clients or your own business, Vendasta offers a streamlined way to manage and optimize your ads. Next thing, the software integrates seamlessly with Google Ads, making it super easy to set up PPC campaigns. You can start by connecting your Google Ads account to Vendasta. Once you're connected, the platform allows you to create campaigns, select your target audience, and manage bids all in one place. It's simple and eliminates the need to jump between multiple tools. The third thing, Vendasta offers advanced reporting features. Once your PPC campaigns are up and running, it's crucial to track performance. Vendasta's reporting tools give you a clear overview of your metrics, including clicks, impressions, and conversions. You can customize reports for yourself or your clients, making it easier to make data-driven decisions and optimize your campaigns on the go. Moving on to the next thing, Vendasta offers automated campaign optimization. This is where things get really powerful. The software uses algorithms to adjust bids, keywords, and ads based on the performance data, helping your PPC campaigns run more efficiently. It's like having an assistant who constantly fine-tunes your campaigns without you lifting a finger. Now, let's talk about managing multiple campaigns at once. If you're handling multiple clients or projects, Vendasta's Campaign Manager is a huge time saver. You can manage and monitor all your PPC campaigns from one dashboard, saving time and reducing the risk of missing any critical metrics. It's ideal for marketing agencies or anyone managing multiple ad campaigns. The final thing I want to mention is that Vendasta offers a suite of additional marketing tools. If you're looking to expand your marketing strategy, you can integrate PPC campaigns with email marketing, social media, and SEO efforts all from the same platform. This all-in-one approach allows you to scale your marketing efforts without the hassle of using multiple software solutions. Before I wrap up, remember that you can try out Vendasta completely free through the link in the description. This exclusive offer also includes extended access to some of the platform's premium features. To sum up, Vendasta is a game changer when it comes to managing PPC campaigns. With its easy integration with Google Ads, powerful reporting tools, automated optimization, and the ability to manage multiple campaigns seamlessly, it's a tool that can help take your digital marketing efforts to the next level. Don't forget to take advantage of the extended free trial with our exclusive bonuses by clicking the link below. See you in the next video.